Hey everybody, JD here again. I hope everybody had a great Father's Day. I went out with my ex-wife and my son. Had some delicious Black Bear Diner for an early dinner. Tomorrow I am going to go see my daughter who lives about an hour away in Los Banos. She's going to take me out to dinner. Going to have a little bit of a spend some time together. Don't get to see her much because she lives not really far away, but because of my schedule I don't get to see her as often as I'd like to. Hence me making this stash video today, this bench update today instead of a Monday evening like I usually do. I went to the IPMS show, Silicon Valley show in Fremont yesterday. It was a great show, had a great time. Met Billy Strange again, and Ajax from Rattle Can Shenanigans, Elliot from Scale Effect, and a few other people. Billy's dad and Ajax and Elliot all took home some hardware. It was good. It was good to hang out with people. I think when I was talking about mental health, I think one of the other things about that goes along with mental health is actually going out and socializing with friends in the hobby. I've loved going out and hanging with model car people, and when I hang out with my model train friends and my real train friends and everything. So that's a big part of the mental health aspect of the hobby for me. I did go and grab some stuff while I was there. There was some very cool vendors at the show. First thing I picked up is the Revell Datsun 510. I have the BRE 510 kit, and I have the 240Z BRE Revell kit. I've had them for a while. I grew up watching those cars racing. Then I went and I talked to a lady who had, I believe it was her late father's collection. She was selling them fairly cheap. This is an awesome AMT 1962 Nova Sport Coupe. It's been started, the engine's been put together. This is I think the first one of these old box art kits that Paul over at Left Coast Model Works loves. Some of the custom stuff is missing. It still has most of the kit is still there. There's a few things that are off the tree. Most of the chrome stuff is off the tree. Like I said, I think the engine's been put together. But I didn't know AMT did a 62 Nova kit. I have the Mobius 64 and 65 kits, the Gasser and the SS Sport Coupe. But I really like this. I'm going to build that eventually someday. I also got another one of the older boxings. The 53 Subaru, I believe this is a Hawk. Kit. I took everything out, and that's why the box doesn't close. I love the price on here, $1.18. But everything in this kit is there also. I bagged everything, and as usual, you can't figure out how to get everything back in the box. But I bagged the tires, the glass, make sure everything didn't get damaged. Everything looks in good shape. Another kit I got was this AMT 1937 Chevrolet, and I believe this is the only way you can build it is stock. It has a 6-cylinder engine in it, which is fine. It's a nice looking car. I could build it stock. I don't mind. You know, if I want to hot rod it a little bit, you know, I could probably get a 3D printed engine for it, but I think I'm going to build it stock just to be different. It's a nice looking car. Last thing I purchased from the same lady I bought the other kits again for $20 is this very cool McLaren 8B. I've actually seen one of these in person with the big block in it with the fuel injection, and they sound incredible. I really would like to build this kit. I think this kit is actually from 1970. The decal sheet says, I think, 370 on it. I'm assuming that's what year it was released. A very cool kit, molded in an unfortunate orange, which is probably nothing like the real color of the car. And then, lastly, my ex bought a bunch of raffle tickets, and she was trying to win me a Tamiya. It's a 240ZG, the one with the aerodynamic nose and the headlight covers. She did win something, but it wasn't the Z. So she said, "I'm going to get you something different." So she grabbed this Dark Shark, a plane I've never heard of. Never even heard of MPM, but there was a British gentleman. I wish I could remember his name. He was very cool to chat with. He said he knew a little bit about these planes. It actually comes with a fret of photo etch. He said there's not a whole lot of information about these planes on the internet, but I'm going to go check out some videos, see if I can find something. That's about it for right now. I don't know if I'm going to getting to build anything this weekend. They said it was busy. Went to the show yesterday. Today, they said my parts of my family came over to take me out to dinner. Going tomorrow. I got to do laundry tomorrow. Maybe between the time I get done with laundry and I go to my daughter's place, I'll probably do a little bit of modeling. Probably do a little bit of modeling tonight if I get a chance. But I hope everybody had a great Father's Day and has a great rest of the week. And we will talk to you later. Happy modeling. Bye-bye.